A shark's eating him. A shark.
Yeah.
No way!
Wow. All right, Jack, let that little cuda go. Hopefully it goes and bites down this butt. Walk him back and forth.
Yes.
Sharking with seaweed. For today's video, I'm going to be using pen battles with light casting rods from Captain Jack's Bait and Tackle in Hialeah. And we're going to be casting these white X-Wrap plugs that Snooks just love. We're connecting those to fluorocarbon 60-pound test leader, and that's going to be connected with a uni to uni knot. You don't want to have any swivels to catch seaweed, and you don't want the fish to see those swivels. So uni to uni, 20-pound test braid. Get your braid at Captain Jack's. He spools it real cheap. 20-pound test braid, 60-pound test fluorocarbon, and your white X-Wraps with a little pen battle and a casting rod. That's all you need to catch snooks the way we're gonna fish for them today. What's up, everybody? I'm here at my house in Miami Springs. It's seaweed, and I wanted to share with you guys today that I appreciate your feedback. So many of you, hundreds of you, have told me that our videos have helped increase your catches and that you're able to provide your families with fresh seafood dinners, and that is very humbling. That makes me very happy. I hope that you use some of the recipes that I pin with these videos. And on this particular video, I just want you guys to pay attention to the birds diving. Whenever you go hit a beach, the first thing you're gonna look for is fish boiling or birds diving. Beaches run east to west, so you're gonna look north, then you're gonna look south. Wherever you see those birds diving, those pelicans diving, seagulls chirping on the top of the water, that's the beach you're gonna fish, and that's what we did in this video. Where the mullets at? There they are. Boom! There they are. There's the mullets. Go get them. There you go. Oh, there they are. Sun's going down. Look up. Get him, get him, get him, Dante! Get him! That's a snook for sure. Reel, 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 reel. Tip down. Keep your tip down and just reel. Because it's a snook. I saw yellow. I saw yellow. I saw yellow. Let's go, Dante. Oh, it's a snook, Dante. Reel. Reel. Walk him back. Yeah, Dante! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Good job, bud! That's a snook! Yeah, baby!
Where are you casting?
All right, Dante, go revive him. You got to put him back and watch the jig. Put him back and forth. Move him back and forth so he comes back to life. Walk him back and forth. Back and forth till he kicks real hard. All right, let him go. There he goes. Yeah. All right, let's get another one. Cast again. Real fast, fast. Buddy, real. Oh, yeah. All right, nice. Good job, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Dante, keep casting. They're hitting him. Little barracuda. All right, Jack, let that little cuda go. Hopefully it goes and bites Dante's butt. Get him! Dante, watch out for him! In the next video, I hook a little cuda and I let the next door neighbor, Marco, reel it in. And the camera misses it, but a giant snook swallows the cuda and my plug, and I start fighting the snook. I thought it was a shark. Oh my God, a shark's eating him. A shark eats the cuda. You ready, Jack?
Yeah.
No way!
Wow. Wow.
Catch him?
Or maybe it was Jack's eating the plug on top of the cuda.
Oh.
I swear to God, did you see
I saw it,
plug?
yeah. are coming through.
Guys, we were just reeling in a fish. A small fish. Maybe like a 1 pound fish. Maybe a big mullet I snagged with my plug. And then right here, what happened, Jack? You got it on camera?
Yeah, I got it on camera. I got it.
Oh, it's a big snook. It's a snook. It's a big snook. Oh, yeah. He ate the cooter, bro. Watch out. No! We just lost a big snook. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. Let me see. Look at me. We just lost a big snook. They're here, guys. So look, guys, we were reeling in a little cooter like this that hit our plug. It hit our white X-Wrap. Reeling them in and a big old snook swallowed them. I lost them in the shore. Oh, baby, on the X-Wrap. Artificials. Oh. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
That's a keeper.
Yes, sir! Nighttime big snook.
Oh, Snook?
Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack. On the plug, nighttime with a plug. Shark with seaweed. Come over here, Jack. Get him in the water. Get him in the water. Get the can on the water. He doesn't want to come and fish.
Yeah.
Big old snook, guys.
Hey, y'all.
No, it's okay, Jack. Just hold it.
I gave him my phone so I could get it.
Good footage. Hopefully those big shovels stay on it.
Yeah, you can tighten it. Yeah. Oh, yes.
There it goes, baby slap. Slot city, baby.
Slot.
Perfect slot. Chocolate
Perfect
with
slot.
seaweed.
Let's go.
Nighttime bite. Yes. Nighttime bite.
Ah,
Ooh.
yes,
Hold
28
this.
inches.
Come here, guys. Get in the video. Nighttime, perfect slot.
Don't long arm that slot.
Perfect slot. Nighttime, guys. Shark with seaweed. Woo. For those that follow basketball, that follow football, this was a buzzer beater, a Hail Mary, dark, about to leave, and one of the fattest slots in recent memory.
We just got this perfect slot. He's down the beach still fishing. But we're gonna bleed it out and get out of here.
What's he doing?
Oh, we popped the gills so it bleeds the meat out. Makes it taste a little better. See this?
How do you pop it?
This was one of the fattest slot snooks I ever caught, at 32 inches on the dot. But leave it up to my buddy Jack to get a great video bleeding out the snook, but completely forget that I told him to measure the snook and get it on video, even though the tape's in the video. Jack! All right, we're out of here. My boy Dante walking with that slot. Dante and his homie. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's beautiful when everything comes together.
So Marco, there's like a rib cage bone heat right here. We're gonna cut that out.
So we're cutting out this part?
Yeah.
So I gave Jack a test. I go, yo, man, the last muttons you cleaned, you kind of hacked them. I go, this big snook, you better do a good job, man. And he sure did, Jack. Jack, beautiful fillets. Thanks, buddy. Beautiful. Cheers, mate. As you see, the small shrimp disguises behind the seaweed. No, I'm here, baby. So tonight's dish is a herb encrusted snook with green jalapeno mashed potatoes and grape tomatoes with basil and a key ingredient, a small little key lime drizzled all over it. This is the perfect dish to trick your kids and sneak those veggies into mashed potatoes. Follow me step by step. Here we go. Russet Idaho potatoes. You're gonna chop these into 1, 2, 4. And now they're all done. Bam! Now into a boiling bubble bath. For our jalapeno mashed potatoes, 1 bowl of baby spinach, 1 bowl of kale, about 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 peeled and deveined jalapeno, and I'll bring you back when it's nice and sauteed. So all of those veggies and our deveined seeded jalapeno are sauteed and ready to go, guess where? Into a blender with these potatoes to make green, cool veggie mashed potatoes. And the kids, they love them. They won't even know the difference. I only put 1 deveined jalapeno because my kids are, you know, their mom's Mexican, so they have Mexican blood and they could take a little kick. But you could X the jalapenos and just go with kale and spinach if you choose. All right, potatoes are done. I put a 1/4 stick of butter, salt, pepper, veggies on the bottom, and a little bit of milk. And let's blend this baby up. You ready for it to turn green? Due to technical difficulties, we hired Dante for the mashed potato job. What are you blending, Dante?
Jalapeno mashed potatoes.
Spicy! Half of a small white onion, grape tomatoes, basil. Sauteed in olive oil and set aside. This will be the topping to our fish. Now it's time to make our crust for our fish. And inside of here is fresh French baguette, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of kale, 2 tablespoons of parsley, lemon zest, and a key ingredient, key lime, a little squeeze of key lime. All right, let's pop that top on. And let's make our crust. All right, doesn't that look good? That's the crust for our fish now. Now that we got a beautiful sear on our snook fillets, we can top it with our jalapeno, key lime, thyme, lemon zest, French bread crust. Sorry, I took a pause there. There's so many things in there. I have some room temp butter. Just to make it easier for that crust, I'm gonna rub this room temp butter on top of our snook. Okay. Oh, and I didn't grab the right tool, so we're gonna go by hand. Just gonna pour some of this out on top. Pour that on top of my snook fillets. Nice and rustic. Beautiful herb crust for our snook. A little bit more. herb crusted snook. Now we gotta pop it in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, back up. And into the oven. There you have it. Set it and forget it, 10 minutes, 400 degrees. All right, now for my weakness, which is plating. I'm not very good at plating. I'm not great with aesthetics. That's more my wife with aesthetics. But here goes nothing. Here's our green mashed potatoes, our jalapeno mashed potatoes. I put some balsamic glaze around the plate. Here we go, like I see the chefs do in the movies. Get one spoon, drop it, and spread it. Oh, didn't work. Didn't work. Try that again. Drop and spread. No, that's not working. We're gonna just go a mountain, the old school style. We'll do a round mountain. I'm not quite there yet. Round mountain, almost like a shrimp and grits pour. Round mountain of jalapeno mashed potatoes. Let's bring a piece of, look at our fish. Look at our fish. Herb encrusted snook. A nice flaky piece over. Set that on top. Mmm, that looks really good. We got our fish. Okay. Now for our basil, tomato, onion. Good. Parsley. Oh, that does look good. Like a little key lime. Little baby key lime for aesthetics. Where should I put this guy? Let's put him right here. A little key lime right there. And that's done. Does that look yummy? Our meal is all done. We're gonna top it with a little key lime squeeze. Whoa, Finn, stay out of this. A little key lime squeeze on this beautiful herb crusted snook dish we made with jalapeno mashed potatoes. Little key lime, let's dig in, Kane. Here's the taste test. Delicious, very flaky. The herb crust came out delicious. The mashed potatoes, are they spicy?
Not really.
Mashed potatoes aren't that spicy. The kids will like it. This is a hit, guys. Try this dish. We did it step for step. We showed you how to catch the snooks with artificials, how to prepare your dish. This concludes another episode of Sharking with
Seaweed!
Sharking with Seaweed.